Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 374, guess number higher or lower. We're told that we're playing a guess game, and the game is as follows. We pick a number, or I pick a number from 1 to n, and we, the people that are solving the problem, need to guess which number is picked. And every time we guess wrong, we're told whether the number that we picked is higher or lower than our guess. And we'll get this information using a predefined API, which just takes in a number and it returns 3 possible results: -1, which means that the number that we guessed is higher than the number picked; 1, our guess is lower; or 0, our guess is equal to the number picked. And we need to return the number that we pick. So we can assume there's definitely a number that the target is definitely in our range from 1 to n, and we're also given some constraints. So just looking at the size, or the potential largest size of n, we can tell that it's a really large number, and we're told that the number is from 1 to n, so we can assume it's also in sorted order. So for this problem, we can solve this problem using a binary search solution. So let's hop into the code. Let's set our left pointer and our right pointer. This is a basic boilerplate for any binary search problem. We'll say while our left pointer is less than or equal to our right pointer, let's get our mid pointer. So our mid pointer is going to be equal to left plus right divided by 2. And then we want to say, let's set our current guess into a variable called current guess, and we're going to set that equal to guess, and we'll put mid inside of it. So this will have our current guess, and the reason we store it in a separate variable is just so that we don't have to keep repeating this for each branch of our if statement. Then we can say if current guess equals 0, well then we just return mid because it's the number that was guessed. Otherwise, it should be elif, if our current guess is equal to -1, although we're told our number is higher, our guess is higher than the number that we picked, so our number is therefore lower than the number that we picked. So we'll say our right pointer is going to be equal to mid -1. Otherwise, if our guess is lower than the number that we should have picked, we will set right equal to, or left equal to, mid plus 1. And that's all the code that we should need. So let's submit our code. Let's check we pass all test cases. And we do. We pass all 25 test cases. So in terms of time complexity, since it's a binary search solution, time complexity is going to be O log n. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.